I promised an update on the 6 potato halves that I planted about 60 days ago, so here it is. I decided to plant the potato halves in with the broccoli plant, and it didn't take long for the green vegetation to appear, and I did a little research on the process. One thing I was surprised to learn is that potato leaves are toxic to dogs, so to be safe, I wrapped the bed with a protective screen, which really didn't seem to affect their growth. Those potato halves were about the size of a golf ball when I planted them. I watched the greenery continue to grow, and then after a pretty severe frost, I noticed the green plant had died back. In hindsight, I wish I had left them in the ground for a few weeks more, but they looked almost dead, so I decided to dig them up. I was surprised to see that the original potato half had doubled in size. I didn't see any potatoes attached to those tubers, so I dug around in the soil, and there they were. Unfortunately, since I dug them up too soon, some of them were really small, and some were actually green in color. Knowing that the green potatoes weren't safe to eat, I chalked up the entire venture as an experiment. Next time, I'll definitely cover the plants in the event of a frost, and we'll leave them in the ground for the required 10 to 12 weeks, allowing them to mature. As for the broccoli plant, it looks great. Allowing those potatoes to grow in there with it didn't have any effect.